Hello, assalamu alaikum. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Today I'll show how to make this 3D object, 3D sketch object in Solidworks software. This is the question number 3 in final assignment of Solidworks. So at first I am taking the new file. Okay. Then I am going to select the front plane, then normal plane. Then I am going to the insert and taking the 3D sketch. Okay, then I am taking the line command. Control 7 is used. Then a sketch. Okay, going here. I'm going here. It's also 3 inch. Enter. Then I'm going to this direction. It will be 4 inch. Then I'm going here, but they are not showing the yellow direction. So I am taking the yellow direction. For why I have to select the tab command. I am pressing the tab command. Okay, then yellow line is showing. Okay, I am going here. It will be 2.5 inch. Okay, done. And I am going here, but there is no yellow direction. So again press the tab command. Okay, then I am going here. I am going here 3 inch. Okay, done. Then I am going here. It will be 7.5 inch. Okay, done. Then I am coming here. It will be 3 inch also. 3 inch. And I am going here. It will be 2.5 inch. Then I am going down. There is no yellow direction, so I am pressing again tab. Okay, here line is select showing, so it will be 4 inch. Then I am going here. It will be 3 inch. Okay, done. Then right button is click and select. Okay, then I am going to select the fillet and I am selecting all corner in simple way, and I am taking the corner radius is 0.5 inch. Okay, you are watching it. Then I am exit it. Then I am going to select the right plane. Normal plane is selected, so Control 7 again. Okay, then I am going to the reference geometry and plane, and waiting. Okay, and then I am selecting it from origin 0. Okay. Then I am going to the sketch and select the circle, or I am taking this hexagonal, so I am taking here. Okay, I am sketch it. Then I am going to the smart dimension and determine the diameter of this hexagon is 0.25 inch. Okay, done. Then exit it. Then I am going to the feature, select the shape boss, click on this hexagon and click on this path. Okay, done. You are watching it. You are watching. Control 8, Control 7. Okay, thank you everybody for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. Okay, before going here, I am going to select the materials and colorize it. Okay, I am taking the polish steel. Done. Selecting this color. No, I am selecting that colors. Okay, this colors. Okay, done. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share.